In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate a simple yet essential task in GIMP, which is unlocking the position and size settings in your workspace. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you manage your layers with ease and make your workflow in GIMP much more efficient. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your GIMP application. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official GIMP website and follow the installation instructions suitable for your operating system. Once it's up and running, you'll see the unique GIMP workspace, which might look a little cluttered if you're new to it. But don't worry, we're going to focus on a very specific section today to enhance your editing experience. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the interface. This area is crucial because it houses important controls for your layers, especially the position and size properties. If you find that these options are locked, you're going to have a hard time making adjustments to your layers as you design. Unlocking them gives you the freedom to move and resize your layers exactly the way you need. To unlock these settings, look closely in this bottom right section. You should see a small lock icon next to the options labeled Position and Size. If these icons appear locked, simply click on them. This action toggles the locking mechanism off, allowing you to freely adjust your layer elements. Once you've unlocked the position and size, try clicking and dragging your layers around the workspace. You'll notice the newfound flexibility and freedom in positioning, enabling more precise adjustments. This is particularly useful when you're working on projects that require exact placements, such as graphic design or photo manipulation tasks. After unlocking, always double-check your settings to ensure everything is as you want it, especially if you're dealing with multiple layers. It's easy to get confused about which layer you're currently affecting, so take a moment to confirm by looking at the Layers panel which layer is highlighted. Also, keeping your layers named appropriately can save you a lot of time and hassle. That's really all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've now mastered how to unlock the position and size options in GIMP, providing yourself with greater control over your creative projects. Having this capability not only makes your work more efficient, but also enhances your overall design quality. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using GIMP efficiently. Keep exploring and happy designing.